In today's tech tip, I'll be explaining to you and trying to sort out the problem where Google Maps does not seem to be working properly on your iPhone, or it's not working or not working as it should on your iPhone. Now, the first thing you want to do is make sure you're running the latest version of Google Maps. Okay, so go to the Apple App Store, tap on the search function, look for Google Maps, search for it, and then tap on it and make sure you're running the latest update or the latest version. Now, if you see this button saying update, then it means you have a pending update. Just go ahead and update the app. But if it says open, it means you're running the latest version of Google Maps. So that's one thing to check. Now, the other thing you can check is location access, because Google Maps is a location-based application. It deals with location. And if for some reason you're not seeing your location here, even when you tap on this little icon, okay, then you might want to check what permissions this app has to access your location. So again, to do that, go into settings. So settings, under settings, scroll to apps at the bottom. That lists for you all the apps. Then now look for Google Maps. Here we are, tap on it. And then the most important thing here is location, as you can see. So currently it's set to while using the app, which is fine, and that's where it should be. But then there's some instances when you're using Google Maps. So for instance, when you're sharing your live location, you might want to share your live location with someone. But when you leave it at while using the app, you can share your live location with someone, but as soon as you exit Google Maps, then it stops sharing the live location because the permission is only while using the app. So if you want to share live location, then you need to select always, so that even in the background, Google Maps always has access to your location, and that's the only way live sharing can work properly, so that you can be able to exit out of the app, use other apps. You can even lock your screen, and your iPhone will still be transmitting your live location data. And that's only for people who are using live location. So if you're not interested in sharing your live location, then you don't need to set it on always. You can just leave it at while using the app, and then it only accesses your location as you're using the app. So you can use that to share directions. You can use that to share your current location, not necessarily live, but your current location. So that's one thing to check. Now, the other thing you can check in the Google Maps permissions is whether Google Maps has permission to access your cellular data. Okay, so if this is turned off, that means your Google Maps application can only access your Wi-Fi. It can only use Wi-Fi for internet, and that means you might have some challenges using Google Maps. But if you have cellular data enabled, it's going to use Wi-Fi, and when Wi-Fi is not available, it's going to use cellular data. So you might want to check on that in case you're in an area that doesn't have Wi-Fi, you're trying to use cellular data, but Google Maps does not seem to be working properly. That's one more thing you can check. So those are mainly the things you can check if Google Maps is not working properly on your iPhone. Now, as a last resort, you might want to reinstall the app. If everything I've told you already is not working, look at the possibility of reinstalling the app, and that includes uninstalling the app. So long press and then tap on remove, and then confirm you want to uninstall. And then once you uninstall the app, you can go back to the App Store and install it afresh. That also helps to fix some issues. And that's it. That's basically your how to fix the problem where Google Maps is not working on your iPhone, or is not working as you hoped it would, or as it's expected to work. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like, possibly also subscribe for more tips. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section, and we'll talk to you there or in the next one. Good luck.